Do you know you can turn these old photos, raw photos of yours, from this to this, and this to this? Yes, you can bring the beauty in your memories, clean, colorful, and full of life again. All that old photos of yours. All right, let's dive in. All you have to do is to go to ChatGPT and select the photo you want. This is where you import your photos. Okay, let me use this lady's one. Then you add. After adding, you tell ChatGPT to restore this old photo to a cleaner version. That's all you have to type. So let's see the result. Our image is created. So can you see that? You can still tell ChatGPT to make it to be colored. All right, so let's see the result. Make it a colored photo. Make it a colored photo. Is created. So let's see. Did you notice something? It's beautiful, but most of I discovered that she was looking somewhere else. The first one, she was looking down. Then this one, she's now looking straight to the cameraman. But it still portrays the same character and it's looking beautiful. It's looking beautiful. So this is how to restore your old photos. You can give it a try. All right, so this is how neat it is. You can give it a try. Can't you see it's beautiful? It's beautiful. Even that old photos of yours, you can as well touch ChatGPT to change the outfit, and you describe what you want ChatGPT to be wearing. All right, so this is how it looks like. This is the old photo. And can you see it's very beautiful? You can give it a try. All right, so let's try another one. Let's use this purple. Restore this photo to a cleaner version and turn it to a colored photo and make them to be in a beautiful wedding gown filled with people sitting down. With this you could actually make money with this. You restore photos for people and you make your money. All right, so still processing. The photo is created, so let's see. So can you see? Isn't this beautiful? Oh, I love it. Imagine your dad photo or your grandma photo or your sister photo. There's an old photo. You could recreate this and use this. Probably most photos have cracked. It's a beautiful thing that you could recreate your photos and make them beautiful. Alright, so these are the same people. Can you see that everything is the same? The lady is the same, her flowers. Alright, so this is beautiful. So when you try yours, you show me the result. I can't wait to see your own result.
Again. Wow! I hope you found this video super helpful. Now you can not only transform those old photos into a beautiful, neat look, but also start making some cool cash doing it for others. So go ahead, give those memories a fresh new life. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe, share to others who need this video. See you in the next one. Bye.